Latest PSL transfer rumors. It looks like iKaizer Chiefs, iMamelodi Sundowns neOrlando Pirates bafuna ukusayina Oswina Police umdlalo wePolokwane City. This comes after ama-rumors akhe okuya le eNorth Africa fall down. So the three teams are looking to sign Oswina Police. But i-team elidayo kule race lingizwe kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs are the only team that have made the offer kumdlali. And kuthiwa etafuleni babeka imali engango-10 million. Bafuna ukuthenga uPolice ngemali engango-10 million according to transfer market. Sekuzoba kuyiPolokwane City ukuthi ba-accepta yini le mali le noma bazolinda amanye ama-club anjengoMamelodi Sundowns noOrlando Pirates ukuthi baqhamuke nabo baplace ama-bid wabo. But iwindi liyavalwa next week. Iwindi njengoba livalwa nje next week lama club lawo uthumele enze show ukuthi aya actor fast because uPolice usekhulumile neKaizer Chiefs on personal terms sebe right. Sekuyoba kwi-team ukuthi accepta yini le mali. Maybe nga approach lama team o2 iKaizer Chiefs izokhulumisana nePolokwane City mase beyamthenga umdlalo. So as things stand, iKaizer Chiefs are leading the race okusayina uOswina Police.